So hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw senku from Dr. Stone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To get the right proportion, here I am using a square of 10 centimeter each side and dividing it into 16 other squares. Now start with making some face features like chin, jawline, etc. and connect them like I'm doing here. So I prefer this kind of square type. Most of artists use only 4 square, but I am a noob. I need 16 to make it more precise, and it can make your drawing more beautiful, and there is no chance of mistakes if you use this technique. So come back to the drawing. I'm drawing a little hair spike here and connected his right or left, what is it, I can't. So I'm connecting those facial features, and sometime I'm here you can see I am covering those things with a shirt. This is his shirt collar I have connected, and this and his face shape is already ready. I'm going to draw his eye now. It's really fun to draw his eyes because there is very details in his eyes. I like his eyes. So start making this the eye in second column of the box, and you can also put some of eyes parts into the next column. uh, Draw the eyeball in the middle of the eye, and don't forget to erase your drawing because erasing makes your drawing more precise, more beautiful. And really, if you are not satisfied with your drawing, so then erase it and make it again. This is my trick. So I'm drawing the eyebrow here like this. Add some highlights in his eye. Some more details. And also draw a line coming out of his eye and goes through his eyebrow and his face. It's kind of cool. I really like these lines. So I'm going to draw that hair spike again, connecting that from the hair. Like this. I have not still done my homework. My teacher will beat me again. So draw the other eye in the left side, left or right. It's right side. Yes. So draw the other eye, right eye, between those first column and second column. second column squares, and make the eyeball into that center of boxes. It's kind of cool. I really like it. Adding highlights, more details, and his eyebrows is also really cool. I like to draw his eyebrows also. It's kind of really cool stuff. So repeat all those things I have already done for the right eye. Yes, this is right eye. And put all the things you have done in right side into the left side, and draw the same eyebrow like the other one. I have made a mistake, sorry for that. So never afraid of erase your drawings. Sometimes erasing your drawings can make your drawing more beautiful, as I always say. And also his eyelashes are more thick, upper and lower. Those both of them are thick eyelashes. Yes. Sometimes I forget what I am going to say. Sorry for that. So add some more wrinkles close to his eyes. I like his eyes. Those are really cold eyes, like Sasuke and Itachi. I have not still have watched it, Dr. Stone, but I am going to watch it after uploading this video. So repeat that process again to draw that dark line, some demonic type lines, and now draw the nose close to the middle point, like this, close to that hair spike. Add some shadows into his nose. So to draw the mouth, use that uh, third and fourth columns. Third and fourth column, what is that? Third and fourth columns joining line to draw the mouth, and my face is ready to be served. I'm not going to eat it. So I'm going to draw his hand touching his hair, like this. Is it's really trouble to draw his hands, because it's very complicated to draw his hands. I'm really bad at drawing hands. I don't like them. I am skipping this part of drawing because I don't want to show you. Just I'm erasing it over time, time by time, over time, time by time, over time, every time. So let's skip this part and go to the next one. As you can see, I have already skipped a lot of things. I have drawn the shirt, his collars, and I'm drawing his hands right now. Stripes like mommy. As you can see, I have not still draw his palm, because already this video has been this video is already too big. I have already attempt to draw his palm almost 3 times, and this is the 4th time I am doing this. It's really hard to draw. So as you can see, our senku is already, look his face here. I like his face. I have, you can see I have draw his neck also. So here is the another jump cut to our finished drawing, and I'm adding some shadows. You can use some type of action figures to locate the shadow where we'll go. And as you can see, I am really a pro at adding shadows. Yes, I am. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this, and hope this video helped you to draw senku. That's all. Goodbye. Sayonara.